everyone, it's Prizma.garcia, your San Diego County real estate agent, and today we're in the city of Poway, California. Right behind me, we will be touring 14543 Kittery Street. This house sits just under zero point 0.2 acres. It has 3 beds, 2 baths, a 2-car garage, all totaling 952 square feet. Please stay tuned till the end so that you could see all the improvements that the buyer has made, plus all the incentives that they are willing to offer any interested buyers if you use their preferred lender. I think you'll really like this one. Let's go check it out. Thank you guys so much for taking that tour with me. Now, this house has had quite a few renovations done before actually putting it on the market. This includes fresh paint and laminate flooring throughout the home. They have added new Summit Blue quartz countertops both in the kitchen and the bathroom. They have replaced the electrical panel, AC, furnace, and windows. Gold finishes throughout the kitchen and have renovated both bathrooms. All of this plus paid solar. Now, the buyer incentives that the seller is offering is a 2-1 rate buy down. And what does this mean for you buyers? That means that you get a lower interest rate for 2 years at no cost to you when you use their chosen and preferred lender. Now, if you guys think that this house fits you and your family's needs, please reach out. I'll put my contact information here. If you have a different list of homes in mind, still reach out to us so that we can make the home buying process as easy as possible for you and your family. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button so that you don't miss out on any future videos. This is Brisma Garcia. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!